Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance your photo or video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application. Okay, and InShot has just launched the HD feature, and you can use the HD feature to enhance your photo or your video. The first one, I'm going to try to enhance my photo. So I'm going to go to the photo section here. I'm going to click on new, and then I'm going to choose one of my photo here. I'm going to choose photo from my download album. And wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, for example, I'm going to enhance this photo. Okay, and then we can click on this HD feature or enhance feature, and then you need to log into the InShot to use this feature guys. And I'm going to click on enhance and click on unlock once. Okay, and then we need to watch an ad to unlock this feature, and hold on guys. Okay, and now it's still processing. Okay, and this is for the result guys. You can see the before and after, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and it looks better than before, right? And then I'm just going to click on export to save this photo. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the InShot homepage, and I'm going to go to the video menu, and I'm going to try to enhance my video. Okay, let me choose one of the video from here. For example, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the right, and we will find the enhance or HD feature here, and I'm going to click on start. Unfortunately, we only have 3 uses, and after that we need to subscribe to InShot to use this feature. Okay, and wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, done guys, and this is for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enhance photo or video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.